Welcome, in front of me is a MEDION E5005, and today I will show you how to enable Google Backup. So to get started, you want to open up the Settings app. From Settings, let's go into Accounts right here. And then, actually before you start this, make sure you connect it to some kind of network. I am not, so I'm going to quickly connect to one. Okay, so now let's tap on Add Account and then choose Google. From here, just put in your email address of an existing Google account. If you don't have one, you can always create it, as you can see right here. I have one, so I'm just going to put it in. Then tap on Next and put in the password for it. So I'm going to get that off the screen. And then tap on Next again. And you will see the Terms of Service for Google. Just scroll down and tap on I agree. I'll make sure the automatic backup is enabled, and then you can tap on Next. Just gonna say no thanks. And now you can see that you have a Google account. So once you tap on it now, it will take you to that specific account. Yeah, there we go. So from here we can enable and disable whatever you want. So whatever is right now enabled will be synced between different devices that are on the same, that are logged into the same account. And if you don't want something to be synced between devices, you can always just disable it by flipping it off like so. And then only whatever is left will be synced. And that is basically how you would set up the Google Backup. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.